Did you know that avocados were once called the fruit of kings in ancient civilizations? Packed with nutrients, they were prized for their richness and even used as currency in some cultures. But what makes this creamy green fruit so special today? In this video, we're uncovering the incredible health benefits of avocados and how they can transform your diet. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a surprising way to use avocados that you've probably never tried before. Let's dive into what makes avocados a true nutritional superstar. Bursting with vitamins like B5, B6, C, E, K, and folate, a single avocado packs more nutrients than many processed multivitamins. And here's a fun fact: one avocado has more potassium than a banana. This vital mineral helps support healthy blood pressure and overall heart health. What's your favorite way to enjoy avocados? Is it mashed on toast, blended into a smoothie, or maybe as the star of guacamole? Share your go-to avocado recipe in the comments below. Disclaimer: while avocados are a fantastic addition to your diet, remember to enjoy them as part of a balanced eating plan. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized nutritional advice. Speaking of heart health, avocados are like your heart's best friend. They help lower bad cholesterol and increase the good kind, HDL. This combination significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. And remember that potassium we just mentioned? It's key in keeping your blood pressure in check. Pro tip: add a few slices of avocado to your morning smoothie or sandwich for a heart-healthy boost. Here's where things get even more impressive. Avocados are rich in oleic acid and vitamin E, two powerful compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, like breast and prostate cancer. And if you're managing diabetes, avocados might be your new best friend. They can help regulate insulin levels, making it easier to maintain stable blood sugar. Did you know? The antioxidants in avocados also protect against DNA damage, promoting healthy aging. But let's not forget the importance of digestion. Avocados are rich in fiber, which supports gut health and keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Additionally, their natural antioxidants fight free radicals, promoting overall wellness and helping to prevent disease. Each bite gives your body a little health boost. They also help maintain a healthy gut microbiome and improve the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients from other foods. Thanks to their lutein and zeaxanthin content, avocados are a fantastic food for eye health. These carotenoids improve absorption from other vegetables, making that salad extra nutritious. For your skin, avocados can enhance wounds healing and reduce UV damage, keeping your glow intact. Quick tip: mash up some avocado and mix it with honey for a DIY face mask that nourishes your skin. Now that you know the benefits, let's explore some tasty ways to make avocados a regular part of your diet. Classic guacamole. Mash avocado with lime, salt, and a touch of garlic. Perfect for dipping or spreading. Smoothie boost. Add half an avocado to your morning smoothie for a creamy texture and an extra dose of nutrients. Sweet treats. Believe it or not, avocados shine in desserts. Blend them with cocoa powder and a bit of sweetener for a healthy chocolate mousse. Avocado salad dressing. Use blended avocado as a creamy base for a homemade salad dressing. Baking substitute for butter. Swap butter for mashed avocado in your baking recipes for a healthier twist. So, how do you choose a ripe avocado? Look for one that yields to gentle pressure without being too mushy. If your avocado isn't ripe yet, store it at room temperature until it ripens. Once it's ripe, pop it in the fridge to help extend its freshness. And to keep your avocado dishes looking fresh longer, just add a little lemon juice to prevent browning. Avocados aren't just a nutritious choice, they're also part of a growing conversation on sustainable nutrition. Compared to many protein sources, avocados have a relatively low environmental impact while delivering impressive nutritional benefits. To recap, avocados are more than just a trendy food. They're a nutritional powerhouse. They support heart health, aid digestion, protect your skin and eyes, and even help manage chronic diseases like diabetes. So, should you eat avocados? Absolutely. Now, here's that tip I promised. While you might already know how to enjoy avocados in guacamole or on toast, Did you know you can store them with a cut onion to keep them fresh longer? The sulfur in the onion helps slow down browning and keeps your avocado ready to use when you need it. What's your favorite avocado hack? Share it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow avocado lovers. Stay happy and healthy!